arrived at Newland, North Carolina. This time it's a little bit different. We're not going camping. We did come in the Honda, but we decided to get a log cabin with our family and spend the weekend together at a place we haven't been yet. So we did drive, and here we are on day number 1 or day number 2. And today's plan is just going to a waterfall that's near here, and then we're gonna do some foraging. That's something I'm looking forward to. And then we're just gonna enjoy being around here, check out the area, and yeah, I'll be updating you guys on this trip, and just follow along.
You look like a professional. Oh my goodness, I need to see him.
All right, so we're hiking down to some waterfalls. Now, I've been doing some cold plunge since the beginning of the year. I started off with some cold showers, and then I've been doing a lot of cold plunges almost every day, really, and very therapeutic. Researched on it, read a book on it, so it's been very healthy thing to do. And right now it is about 34 degrees outside, and I'm looking forward to getting down to the water to see if maybe I can do a cold plunge. So I'm excited, and I'll show you all what that's gonna look like. Oh, you can already hear it. Nothing like the sound of waterfalls. Just awesome. So hopefully I can get into that when we get down there. Of course, it's a sign that says no swimming, but if no one's watching, we'll see if I can get in there. So we'll see. So a little bit different than my previous videos, but still a family adventure, which I'm willing to share with you. ready for it.
Really? Yo, gotta be, bro. Let's go, Danny.
All right, so I did it. That was cold, very cold. The only way I can really show you how cold it is out here and how cold the water is, and this is just ice. That's all frozen. But definitely felt good. Exactly what I was expecting. Right on. All right, let's go. What does the map look like?
Trail name most difficult. All right.
So this time I am not with my wife and kids, but I am with both of my brother-in-laws. Gabriel, woo woo. Here's Andy.
Hey, yo.
And this is now becoming a tradition for us because last year we were up in Colorado and we went hiking together on this trail that we've never been on, and it was just spectacular. It's gonna be hard to beat those views, but we're gonna try to do this every year between us. And then they also have kids. Once they get a little bigger, then we'll have all the kids come out here with us and enjoy this family trail. We have shelter.
Yes.
This is pretty good. So we found a spot. This might be one of the amazing views on this trail.
Nah. Chill.
Oh yeah.